Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about basic pivot tables in Excel. Pivot tables help us summarize large data sets quickly and efficiently. I will tell you about how to create pivot table, modifying pivot tables into rows, columns, values, filtering pivot tables, practical examples, and conclusion. Okay, moving toward what is pivot table. You can see Excel. What is pivot table? Excel tool for data summarization organizes large data into meaningful reports, perform calculations automatically, easy drag and drop functionally. A pivot table is a powerful Excel feature used to summarize and analyze large amount of data. It allows us to create reports using a simple drag and drop method without writing formulas. Why we use pivot tables? Here is the summarize points. It summarizes thousands of rows instantly, compare data categories, analyze trends, save time, no complex formulas required. So pivot tables help summarize thousands of rows in seconds. They allow us to compare categories, analyze trends, and perform calculations like sum, average, and count without using complex formulas. Here I have a sale data set. It contains date, sale person, region, product, and sales amount. Now we will summarize this data using a pivot table. Uh, select the whole. I select the entire data set. Then I go to the Insert tab and click on Pivot Table. Excel automatically selects the table range. I click OK and a new sheet open with the pivot table fields. You can see here on the right side pivot table fields. Now we are moving toward how to modifying pivot tables. On the right side we see pivot table fields. We can drag fields into rows, columns, filters and values. Firstly, I am moving region into rows and sales values into values. You can see here I drag region into rows area and sales into values area. Now Excel automatically calculates total sales for each region. East has 80,000, North has 70,000 and South has 55,000. Now I'm adding columns product wise. I add product into column. You can see here column labels laptop, mobile and tablet. Now I drag product into columns area. The pivot table now shows region wise and product wise sales summary. Now I'm going toward change calculation sum to average. By default Excel calculates sum, but we can change it to average, count maximum or minimum using field setting. Here you can see click drop down on sales. Here you can see sales and we value setting and we are calculating its average. Okay, and you can see average sale values. By using value field setting we can change the sum into average. Now I am telling you about filtering pivot tables. So I am dragging field into filter areas using a drop down filter and focus on a specific data. Let's pose a sale person into filters. You can see here sale person. I use the drop down method and you I'm selecting John and you can see John has a sales region north and it is it is selling laptop and that has amount 50,000. So we are moving towards over this one. I'm telling now this is all about how to use pivot table and how to use filters, columns, rows and how to format how to bring different changes in the formats, like pivot table automatically convert into some function, but we can change it into average. So it's all. And now I'm telling you about the advantages of pivot table. It is very useful for the quick data summarization, dynamic reports, easy drag and drop, no formulas required, handles large data sets. Pivot tables are very powerful because they quickly summarize large data, create dynamic reports, and require no formulas. In conclusion, pivot tables are essential for analyzing large data set. They simplify complex data and help in quick decision making. I hope you understand how to create pivot table, how to use filters in it, how to quickly make decisions through pivot table. Thank you so much.